Welcome to Real Estate Grad School. We coach experienced real estate agents to create and build the habits and systems that rapidly increase your income, build your team, and allow you a much greater peace of mind. I'm Rich Levin. I've been coaching experienced real estate agents for over 20 years to exceptional success. Come and learn. One more thing before we get into marketing. Effective marketing is not easy. At times, it will feel complicated. It isn't very complicated, at least the way I coach you to do it. But whenever you learn something new, it feels complicated at first. It's not going to be easy, but it's going to be easier than you imagine and less complicated than it may feel at first. You know that I like to simplify things and make them as easy as possible for you. And I'm going to do that with your marketing. But first, I wanted you to know that marketing is not easy. Successful marketing is easy. Send stuff, advertise places. But good marketing, effective marketing is not easy. It will be challenging for you. It'll be mentally challenging. It'll be challenging in many ways. But that's a healthy thing. That is a healthy thing. And you are capable, all of you, each of you and all of you are capable of becoming very good at marketing. Plus, this is one of the best times of year to learn this and put it into use. So, marketing described. Marketing is amplifying, increasing, making louder, making more known, amplifying in every way. Amplifying your name and your brand in a way that motivates action toward your goals. By the way, you may want to re-listen to this, save this recording for this date, so October 10th, or go back and find it in the charts in the library. But it's actually under coaching and first 15s. Marketing is amplifying your name and brand in a way that motivates action towards your goals. So in plain language, for you as real estate agents, making your marketing is making your name more known in a way that motivates people to contact you about real estate. Making your name more known so that in a way that motivates people to contact you about real estate. Again, make a note of this, write it down, learn this. Marketing is making your name more known in ways that motivate people to contact you about real estate. That's very nice, but it's not helpful. Okay? It's a great definition, but it's not helpful. What does an agent actually do? What do you need to actually do? What actions do you need to take? What's the best way to take those actions? That's what we're going to get into. I want to give you a little background, a little definition, so you understand it's about motivating action. It's not just making your name known. It's making your name known in a way that motivates people to contact you, motivates people to action. So what do you need to do? What actions need to be taken? What's the best way to take those actions? So those are those questions. First, you need to choose, the agent needs to choose the way that you will market. You want to choose a way that's most comfortable and most effective to accomplish your goals. There are a number of choices. I'll go over them all with you, or I'll go over many of them with you. You're going to want to choose the way that's most comfortable and most effective to reach your goal. And of course, remember, this is something else you might want to write down. The goal is that the people receiving your marketing will contact you about real estate. They won't just remember your name. Remember, the goal is the people receiving your marketing will contact you about real estate. I've had a number of clients. Currently, I have one who said to me, Rich, people know my name. They recognize me all the time. They know I sell real estate, but I'm not getting so much business. And I said, that's because you worked on name recognition, not about motivating them to contact you. So it's a combination of your name being known and being known, being amplified in a way that motivates people to contact you. So your marketing, you're going to want to choose your most comfortable, most effective way to motivate people to contact you about real estate. I'm going to go over all those ways. So don't worry, you don't need to know anything right now, but you're going to want to choose one of those ways. This is not selling, this is marketing. Marketing is not selling. Marketing is marketing, selling is selling. So you may not always ask for business, particularly on social media. It is about being known in addition to motivating action. Sometimes you're going to just focus on the being known part. Not often, but particularly most often on social media, it's more about being known as a real estate agent. It's how you're known also, but not always asking for business. And when you do ask for business, you use what we call a call to action. Here's an example. So at the end of a marketing piece, you might write, if you're thinking of moving and want to ensure that you get the highest possible price, call Kelly today, followed by your contact information. Obviously, I just used Kelly's name, but you put your name in there. That's one of many, 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 many calls to action that you will learn. If you're thinking of moving and want to ensure that you get the highest possible price, contact Kelly today. This does two things. It's reinforcing what you do and why they want to reach out to you to ensure that they get the highest possible price. It's identifying who you're talking to. If you're thinking of moving, that's who I'm talking to. And you want to ensure you get the highest possible price, that's what they're interested in, contact you today. That's just an example of call to action. So when you do ask for business in your marketing, you do it with language, and we call that language call to action. Now, last piece for today, I'm going to save till tomorrow. There's 4 easy choices. I'm going to go over what those choices are. I'll go over them now. The way you market, and I make this very easy for you to choose which way to market. Who to target. There's only 2 choices, so that's easy. I'll show you that. What's your message? Well, there's only one message, so that's really easy, and I'll show you that. And what media do you use? And that's easy because your choice of media is just dependent on, number 1, the way you market. So, like I said, this may sound complicated or confusing at first. It's going to all be very clear. My point to you is there's 4 choices I'm going to lead you through making and teach you then how to do those things. But for right now, I just want you to realize they're easy choices. Overall, this is not easy to do, but step by step, I will make each piece easy so that by the time you're done, you're going to be marketing successfully, motivating people to call you in a way that keeps you busy and active through the slower markets, through the busy markets, with nearly whatever happens. Just click on the link below. I'd look forward to speaking with you.